Good day to all. I am Sneha of 2nd B Combi, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about definition and meaning of operational research, steps or stages, techniques, application and limitation of operational research. First, we are going to see about definition of operational research. Operational research is a study of operations for the purpose of making better decision. That means operational research OR is a scientific approach that deals with the application of advanced analytical methods to help to make better decisions. And next we are going to see about steps or stages in operational research. The first step is defining and formulating the problem. The aim of this step is to come up with a formal model description. Usually, you start an optimization project with an abstract description of a problem and some data. The next step is developing and constructing the model. The step is to translate the problem description into a valid OR model. The implementation of the step may be quite different depending on the OR model you are using. A mathematical problem has three important constitutions, that is, decision variables and parameters, constraints, and objective function. The next step was solving the model. The aim of this step is to solve your OR model, just as an formulation step dependent on the OR model being used. The solution step depends on your OR model. Additionally, there may be more than one solution method for a particular OR model. For example, linear programming function. Next step is solution testing. Often, there is uncertainty in the problem description. That is, in this situation, solution to the OR model can be examined using analysis. Analysis involves identifying how the solution would change under various changes to the problem data. The last step is implementation stage. A crucial stage in the optimization process is the presentation of the solution and any analysis. The translation from an OR model solution back into concise and comprehensible summary is an important as the translation from the problem description into a OR model. Next, we are going to see about various techniques or method in OR. First one is linear programming problem, LPP. Linear programming is a technique of finding the optimal value of the linear function of several variables subject to some restrictions. The next method was transportation problem. It is a special type of linear programming problem in which the goods are shipped from various origins to a different destination. The objective is to find the best possible allocation of goods from various origins to different destinations such that the total transportation cost is minimum. The next one is assignment problem. A assignment problem is a particular case of linear programming problem in which a number of operations are assigned to an equal number of operators where each operator performs only one operation. A overall objective is to maximize the total profit or minimize the overall cost of the given assignment problem. The next one was simulation. By simulation is meant the technique of setting up a model for a real situation and then performing sampling experiments upon a model. The feature which distinguishes a simulation from a mere sampling experiment in a classical sense is that of a strategic model. The next method is PERT or CPM. Basically, PERT and CPM represent one and the same technique. PERT assumes that for each activity, the duration, that is activity time, as a random variable, whereas CPM uses known fixed activity timings. The planning phase leads to the construction of a network that represents the activities. The next we are going to see about the application of OR in the fields of accounting, financing and marketing. First, in accountings. For the cash flow, fund flow and also for planning, they applies OR, and to analyze the credit policy, also for claiming and complaining procedures, they were using OR. The next is financing. In dividend policy, they apply OR. For investment decision and also for portfolio analysis, they apply OR. The next field is marketing. In marketing, to analyze advertisement budget, best introduction timing for product, and to select a product mix, and also to know about the customer preferences, they apply the OR. So OR is, next one is Limitations in operational research. The inherent limitation concerning mathematical expressions. High costs are involved in the use of OR techniques. OR does not take into consideration the intangible factors. OR is only tool for analysis and not a complete decision making process. Other limitation, that is bias, inadequate objective function, internal resistance, competence, reliability of a prepared solution. So these are the limitations of OR. Thank you, and I hope it will help you.